won't let go.
Hello and welcome back to Rich Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing this watch that I purchased from Wish. It came in probably about a month it took. It's a Tudor Pelagos watch. Quite nice. Again, I love these Tudors. Just thought I'd go for this one because it seemed to be a different model than the other ones that I buy. It says it's a rotary self-winding, but it's actually a battery operated, I believe. It does have a screw on back like the other ones. Says stainless steel on there. And Tudor. It's got a decent strap on there, but I should probably change that to a leather, because I don't really like these metal on there. As you can tell, they're a bit flimsy. They're not very good quality as far as those go. So I should probably remove that and put a leather strap on. This casing seems a little cheaper as well to the others I've had. And that is really, really tappy. You can hear it. And that's not even the strap, that's the actual bezel. I don't think that blue is the right blue. Maybe the face is, but the this around here is normally a matte colour blue, like the face. But it'll be alright for a knockabout watch, you know. You won't wear it out nice. It clicks well. And it has got the date on this one, which the others don't. But it's still quite nice looking watch for battery operated. Obviously it's not the best, but I think this was about £30 including delivery, so it's not too bad. Yeah, so it's still quite a nice watch, but not to everyone's taste, I guess. Just thought I'd get a blue one to be different. But that's the Tudor Pelagos watch. Okay, so I've changed the strap on the watch now, and it looks a lot better, I think. These are really good straps. They're quick release as well, so you don't have to worry about pins and stuff like that. They just literally pull back and clip in. So I should probably wear this watch now. There's my other one that I've bought in the past, and as you can see, this one has the date on it, whereas the other one doesn't. But yeah, this is quite a nice watch. I like wearing this, and the ticker on that other one will, you know, goes around a lot better, smoother than say this one here, the Pelagos chronograph. There you go, that's the difference between the two. This strap was about £6 on eBay, so it's well worth getting some. And thanks for watching, and come back for more soon.